My fans, welcome back again. Let's take a listen to Ricky Trooper and what he have to say about the crowning of Vybz Kartel and people around him and all them things. You see me? So let's take a little listen to what Ricky Trooper have to say.
Here the one squidly. Oh, simple a cuss. Oh people, oh Kartel like king, and Kartel like king, and Kartel like king. I'm sitting there, I look at squidly and say, all blood clot squidly gone to, you know. Can't burn him, let me tell you something. See? When you talk about Kartel, them everybody goes to boom and start cuss and this and that. See? The man name, Real Bass.
Yeah.
Real Bass.
Real Bass.
See?
Yeah.
Real Bass. You understand? And all who run Kartel, no man no say blood clot teacher. See? I didn't name that at the title that, you know.
Yeah,
because a king. Because that big and king, you know.
Big and king.
See? Because king in run Spain, a king run England,
A king run
in country.
Yeah.
See? And God is say the world have say 190 odd place.
Yeah.
See? So me I say,
The Kartel bigger than king.
so Kartel bigger than a king. See? And all I man them run teacher name Real Bass, you know, all I man them around the man. See? I fight for blood clot kingship.
Oh, you could have tell us about the ship there, no?
They know that me I tell you, no, seriously. See?
then go on with
See,
the ship.
cause here, me watch it from what they know, cause blood
king
clot
ship
too.
them,
Hey,
man.
squilly.
World
At
king
2 years now.
World king.
At 2 years me diamond, know, cause from them me daughter, I just love music. See, but from the boy get sentenced, me say, Trooper, you have to wake up, you know, and go back into the thing. See? So me wake up. So them have bigger controversy about kingship. See? The man get, you see the chain the Kartel get on him neck.
Yeah.
We have the big bumper clot, global spin.
Yeah, the spinning chain.
See?
Yeah.
Spinning chain. Yeah, Real Bass. Real. A world blood clot, Real. Big and king. Real Bass. Me control the Real. The whole Real. The Real.
Yeah.
And a man goes up, man, a little up teacher thing. And I talk about blood clot king.
Kartel. The place where Kartel go, you know. Kartel, Michael Jackson.
Man, them a idiot
and
that.
Kartel go the same thing. So Kartel in every special league and Michael Jackson league.
Bonnie man,
Kartel,
them a
this
failure.
This is all about being a man.
Michael Jackson league.
Get rid of it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
world greatest entertainer.
Alright, Mr. Chin got some boom and say. Mr. Chin got some boom and say,
But a bag.
no man, Chin got some boom and say, Kartel, we cannot give Kartel a king title because Kartel, he has done this, he has done that. You have to find a bigger position, a bigger name to give Kartel, a bigger title. And Nuffy, Nuffy at this man, I'll cheat. Nuffy a blood clot dance, Nuffy a either because enough of them around Kartel, them don't listen, you know. Them are listening, you know. Saying, as I said, you know, if say it tell, you know. It tell now they come and then start cause your blood clot. But you say me can't say anything because you know why? Saying me fight struggle and me know so me put in work and that's something there. And I be a new man, me surround the thing and them none of them can't tell Kartel say, yo, teacher, which king? A Real Bass, your blood clot name, you think big and king. You have a big title, a Real Bass.
Yeah, man.
And who run you talk about king? King them bumbo clot. So you see in my book. Me not have Kartel, you know, king blood clot, nothing. Me have Kartel as Real Bass.
Nothing is a big up in 4 years.
Nuffy a idiot, man. Cause you Nuffy big up. You ain't food my big up, yes. Blood clot.
Which
You
artist
man
not
big up
Jamaica?
in food.
Which artist not Jamaica
Say-
get $1.5 million stage show?
Now
None!
leave that alone, man. Me not even talk about that because man I make money, man. Say, I'm tell you something, bro. Say, remember saying a Shabba go so boom and forward, you know. A Shabba go so boom. Shabba no say no king. Shabba say emperor. Do you know say an emperor title is bigger than a blood clot king title? Eh? And you go so boom, my lad. Real Bass. Just look up, let's take a minute now. Real Bass. The big and blood clot kingship.
Yeah, man.
The big and kingship. And then go so boom and a fight. And King of Dancer. I can't drop an album. King of Dancer. Sing okay, boom, that. See? But for when you go so boom and come from prison, and the levels when take the blood clot king. Teacher no fear think about no blood clot king. Teacher fear look into himself and say bumbo clot. That's what me think global. I have a roll in my hand.
I'm just saying no want that.
He no want that. Teacher no need that. Teacher no need no blood clot king thing. Which king? The man bigger than that, the man a real boss. The whole world.
Yeah, man.
So all who has a blood clot, guys, all who have drop the man blood clot thing. But man that fight with it for bill it. Saying, when they not think about no king, while roll him keep on and say, I say, yo, we conquer the world, we control the world.
No artist in Jamaica never create aeroplane traffic jam. No man never do that and Kartel do that.
You see, all I want to
Yo.
oh, I go chat now and say, I say, and go cuss, and go blood clot cuss. So, I'm a Ricky Chopper. My fight struggle for blood clot Kartel and other things. Kartel come from prison, I'm not running neither. But over here, son, him over that blood clot. They said, I'm running.
Do the tune him, Kartel do that. Aeroplane traffic jam, Kartel do that. Government make millions, Kartel do that.
Kartel do that.
See, who go to prison white
Other artists do that blood clot.
and come out back black.
I hear me no like with them too. You see all of them? Oh, I say that. Oh. Yo, and them bad mind, the teacher, and them bad mind, and them bad mind. Hey, you know for go. The bomb buckle, everything will have come bad mind. See, and the people talk about bad mind blood clot people, on a chat about. See, yo, on a lily up the man thing. All on a lily up the man thing. And then the bag of fool them around blood clot teacher. Be a fool teacher, bro. Hey, let me talk in my mind. I be a fool them around teacher.
Kartel come do boy, you know. No blood clot artists never do it, you know. Not even Bob Marley. And him not big like Bob Marley still. But nobody not do a Kartel.
Bro, man, I hear that, bro.
Alright, you see what Mr. Kartel do with it? You see some artists who get 20 grand for a show and 25 grand. Kartel make them get all 300 blood clot thousand for a show, you know. Some artists will take 20 grand and 25 grand, you know.
Anything on lift?
300,000 them get.
And I be a blood clot arena and sell out. So dancehall go so boom. See? No, but remember, say Bujo coming up. Bujo go so boom and come lift the bar, you know, man. Bujo come lift the bar, bro. Because remember, say Bujo come lift the bar, you know, man. And go so boom and a ram arena and a ram stadium and a do him for those. See? Kartel come and run with the thing called button. And the whole of youth them a run and do it popcorn and the whole of them. Being the man a blood clot do it. Saying killer even the other day killer ram film show too. So all of the man them a work, bro. The man them a do them thing, bro. Cause man a say killer show go flap and killer thing blood clot ram.
See?
So me a say.
All the killer forget the award. What's the most ghetto youth and
So man you me a say. No me a talk about blood clot Kartel. Cause from hey, I know me not say nothing. Me a trooper, you know. But fight Kartel war, you know. See? The man them around Kartel be a blood clot that run teacher. See? Be a fool on the man. The man them did and I lily up the man bumbo clot king. I come back king. King no bumbo clot. Man not king nothing. So I want bet about me chop me say that the bite on a bite me. Over no blood clot. No, I not drink no rum, no. I drink a Malta. See? You know some sexy and nice. See? I'm pretty and look blood clot young. I will try rum up. I'm not rum. I love them thing a long time, man. I'm a white wine, me drink on them something. You know, that star. See? I like a red wine. See? Me not drink rum a long time. Me not put no rum on my eggnog. Eggnog a long time. Me not drink rum in no eggnog. You know some look yo.
Let me get that one.
See? I lie you tell man. We are post sick. See?
When you want a friend for real, I want girl anyway, I see sweep up the place and clean every place and go out. Trooper doesn't drink so rough. When Trooper don't drink the rum and Trooper ready, Trooper. Hey, how are your name? How are you know?
How am I that?
You look good in a blood clot. Yes, when he gets sober, come back on the sober and say, Trooper, say the be you talk here, who that talk to? I say, be here. Or the blood clot, I say, I say, I want that.
Body, you're too body, you're too light.
Remember, said she was here drink up 2 quarter rum and drink about 10 bowl of soup and some curry chicken.
Yeah, me
and go vomit and the dog them go to drink.
Yeah, me see, man, let me say. Alright, I'm going to show you a thing. Hold on. Squarely, let me show you a thing. See? Oh, some fest. Kartel got some fest. See?
Yeah.
Hold on, Kartel got some fest. And some fest done. See? And them have to dip on blood clot social media still a cuss. And Kartel like kings here, and who not like that, bite it because them crown him, saying, them sure to mix up the man of them bumbuck like there. Saying, the man a real boss, he real boss, big and king. See, like how Shabbat said, him an emperor. Saying, that now, he can't mix up with king thing. Saying, because you have king of England, you have king of France, king of that. The man title a real boss. Then teacher not even looking at himself and seeing it one big blood clot chain with the globe a spin pan it. Saying, so me I say, so we teacher ever say, but yo, I see all I know, me can't say this blood clot. Say this all I know, but I run teacher, I want some pussy. I want to run teacher show, the money I get from him, but none of you can't tell Kartel the truth. Like how man look on Kartel and tell Kartel the blood clot show. Saying, yo, all the way from where power with Kartel, when me tell Kartel the truth, enough time him cry. Saying, I will tell him the truth. Well, I want some blood clotting. So, all me say no. When this got so boom and this boil down, when after 1 year now, saying, and everything got so boom and boil down, saying, well, I want to go blood clot run and gone. Run gone left the man. Let me know, you know, not pussy, you know. I can know for uno. When he got so boom and left Alliance, when he left Alliance, saying, and got so boom on him own. No want to touch him blood clotting. Because everybody afraid of killer. And nobody no want offend blood clot killer. Saying, alright, Mr. Teacher come from blood clot prison. Saying, and teacher say, him find God and him set up God say, if me go so boom and drop back on road, me I change certain things. The first thing teacher should have done not care what. And if link blood clot Jeffrey Hype. Saying, oh teacher link Jeffrey Hype and now. Eh? I even know say to him, now if you look my friend from the youth and say, yo, yeah, hear me. You know, you did it there, you know. You fight struggle, because me did there. But me know, when me see things happen, run at that bumbo clot where man rush al teacher on Red Hills Road in them time there. And a Jeff Wright take her 2 cutlass slap in him back and take 2 box and jump in a vehicle and drive it way. See? Such a little thing where with a little street vibes run blood clot thing and a man say, him that hustling thing and rare, that pass long time. And that me gonna have the yo what? See? I want to know. And them youth they forget blood clot jar. You may talk my mind today. Saying, what kind of jar them youth they get? Eh? All I want to chat off on the mouth. And some little batty boy around the man. A man got some boom and blood clot got some boom and say the one number for real teacher. A man link some I want to shield the DJ. Saying, I suck out to no more my wall I want. Saying, Refs and Jeffrey. Say, then I'll Nuffy with teacher thumb down in bumbo clot. I come about teacher, Nuffy what you do. When buckle that fight and them thing there. And the ground grind me out there. You think me see you? Me not see none of you. None of me no blood class. You know when I come out, oh teacher, this and teacher and teach. But teacher on a bumbo clown, on the goal on the figure. Saying, I want to know. I will fight the struggle around here. Saying a teacher get rich now. I will not beg nothing from teacher. And I want from teacher come and over here so I hold them fence. Because teacher come from blood clot prison. Saying, I want teacher come from prison. Popcorn link me as a teacher ask for you. Saying, teacher ask for you. Saying, because teacher said chopper. Popcorn said teacher said one part in our life when they lowest in our life. When they been lowest in our life, chopper you did there and food I run out of chopper pocket and then bumbo clot there. Saying, so me I say, and we did it and we know, we used to name out of one bumbo clot box food. One box food we are eat and man I cut off the top. I box and them thing and I eat. And then bumbo clot and a fight struggle. Say, one of the day, where all on the day come chat off for no blood clot mouth. Saying, but a teacher for looking at blood clot self and remember this in a cartel. A January you born like man. I mean a boy, I mean run into paper. But me say enough of them where I come chat. And lily up your thing and come chat about blood clot. But make you tie up in a king thing. You're a real boss. You're a boss for you roll in a blood clot DJ thing. Saying, you're a boss for blood clot roll. Saying, you think big and you think big and blood clot kingship.
History.
Saying, history be a history.
History of create around here, you know. History of create around here, you know.
And I can lily up your thing about blood clot thing. All of them are some pussy. All of them. Saying, all of them are some pussy.
Kartel, you know, every special league.
Hey, teacher, I'm sure, hey, teacher, alright, for the teacher come and blood clot, come back a road. Saying, him not get a hit all now, you know. You think teacher get a hit? Teacher just do some blood clot song and them did their float because what? And I like teacher have some youth where, like, oh, we should fight with him thing and him having set and selected them. A power and bumbuckler thing. Teacher now get a real it from him come from prison, you know. And no, you know, bro. And none of them now say to teacher, say, all right, teacher, you don't control the freaky girl them, and you this, that, you do that song, yeah. Say, some song for your drop now, and some song where supposed to go so boom now. Say, Fifi whirl and make people go so boom and gravitate to that. And you take the thing to a different level. Yeah. Say, I'll teach you and the whole of them about them I produce. I pussy them. They might tell you the truth. So me I say, all ever gonna yam out them woman, move them
Kartel in a Michael Jackson every express league.
So me I say, all on for moving up blood clot and I lead the youth wrong.
Pop star.
And I not tell the youth the blood clot truth. Saying, but you see me, now I'm a friend from my boy and I'm gonna start my truth and done. Saying, but you see more time, when you go so boom, you fight and struggle. Saying, and when we don't fight the struggle, we fight it from we heart. When they not fight it through blood clot money. Saying, when they not fight it through money and when they not fight it through this kind of money never did it. Saying, and only if I want to come read the blood clot ban, not for no care news, I get likes and riches on them blood clots. Some boy if go, can't chat to man and tell man nothing. Saying, that the real youth them who fight the struggle, we not get no love. No love, we no blood clot. We not get no love out of this. Artists are not for no artists now wicked because you see the youth them who fight the struggle them all the while. Saying, I'm tell you, if a bust Jeff Ripe, they try if a bust blood clot Jeff Ripe, what you mean? Bust the youth, bust pimping them youth there. Saying, me stand up with my blood clot 2 years when Vybz go on and I see them box on Jeff Ripe in a bomb clot concentrating police station. And me and blood clot me and I drive out and left him on ground. You forget that? Eh? When them boy there, them bag a look a pussy around you, I chat off them mouth now, where them be there. I scatter on the whole, we scatter in the blood clot, them look a bow dread there, where them be there. They look a bomb clot, bow dread there. Say, where them be there, where them there? All of them we about teacher on a bomb clot. A long time it a boil up in a me, you know. Saying, bomb buckler for go man. Saying, oh no, out there fight, no, that fight, no struggle. Eh? No, you never believe in the blood clotting because nobody never want to offend killer them. Saying, I'm going to show you me put on my career upon the blood clot line, you know. Because I'm going to go so boom and do all one clash with base of this, Guinness sound of greatness. Saying, and the whole alliance. Saying, vice base of this. I'm going to the clash go blood clot clash them. At the same time, Squingy dead. Saying, so that night they may fight against Squingy dead to just something and I fight the whole blood clot alliance. Saying if you put Kartel out there. Saying, and when Kartel bus, 06, what bus Kartel? That before this and a blood clot real clash. Because I do song them time there, but I don't like him go so boom and rain. When we go a real clash now, go play 1 million Kartel, we play Kartel so till people think and sick of Kartel and I want you no more Kartel till I want to hear more. And from that, me carry no blood clot sit down, you know, sit down back. Saying, and we out there fight struggle. You know, night me a foot I buck up a road and be a Vybz. And what? And one thing make me a foot I never catch up. Saying, because the same blood clot links where him have, I see him links you have a 90s with blood clot saying, and me and him a ref to blood clot picnic. Saying, so the disrespect you and go on. Saying, oh I'm telling you, my heart full. Open up blood clot and go. Saying, I mix up the man thing about this bag of idiot thing about king blood clotting. The man thing big and kingship. Man, I roll bomber clot boss. You know what kind of title that? Saying, man, I roll king bomber clot. DJ whole roll like come talk about king. All man I keep bomber clot something. Saying, all monarchy where it a come from father to blood clot son and a come down. All royal fucking go on and them bomber clot there. And breed all your sister and them things. That don't mix up the man in that. Saying, man I roll boss and who and Bex and who no like when I say bite me. Saying, because we think different. Look, I mean, say no. Me is a boy, me a hunger bomber class selector combo, you know. Saying, I fight the whole alliance, you know. I fight killer for around 10 bomber clot, you know, sound couldn't kill me. Saying, I went Kartel, go so boom, and me a fight with Kartel thing. No boy, no kill me, no dance neither. So if Kartel want to turn against me and say anything I want to say, me fight him with the next blood clot DJ, because I'm a bad that way there. Saying, and that me I tell you. Saying, I'm a bad, me know if you kill DJ career. Saying, so me I say, So who want go so boom and like for me I say, like for me I say, who no like for me I say, who no bite me. Me no business. Nyam me. Say, be a little blood clot either. You no go so bum and bout on no crown the man. Say, me nah not against Spice. Spice and my little sister, me not good. Me can't have woman a crown the man. Whoever hear bumbo clot, woman a crown man. Big Kartel, no lily up the man blood clot thing. See? No lily up the man thing. No lily up the man blood clot thing. See? Oh, I'm told no. I don't know no love a DJ. No love a DJ. I hype on a work off and the money will not blood clot get. Better some film team tomorrow morning and him can't DJ. Wall on the run gone. See? So me I say, but then him not fight for no kingship, bro, and him a fight for kingship and who around him and mislead him. See? Who around him and mislead him, bro, because if I tell him man say, yo, leave her that alone, DJ.